Hello students, now we are going to proceed with our recursion only. We are going to do program and some output questions of the recursion. See how you all have to do. Pay attention class 11th here, okay? Now see the first problem is that the following recursion is a part of some class. Answer the following given along with the dry run. This comes in your, as I have previously told, in your part 1 in a compulsory portion of 5 marks. It comes of 5 marks in a compulsory portion in your part 1. Okay. Part 1 is of your 20 marks. In 20 marks, 5 marks is of this output questions. So the question is that int, because it is returnable program, int x, int y, because void is not used here. As you all know, void is used the return non-returnable. Okay. If x remainder y is 0, then return y. Otherwise, this is your base case. In base case you have otherwise you have to do this function. Okay. See, in recursion function call itself same only. So you have to y comma x module 4. This is for your remainder. What will be the answer when the value is 9 and 6, and what will be returned if 11 and 5? And third question is state in one line what does the recursion do apart from the recursion. See, the base case is if x module y is 0, our step is x module remainder is 0, then true, then return y statement runs and returns 3 as a output. And 9 remainder module 6 is equal to 3, is that not equal to 0, so false, then else will run from the function as 9 recursion 6 comma 9 module 3. So in this your answer for first answer will be your output will be 3, and in second the output will be 1. Okay, will return y, it will be 1 output, and the it is showing that it is a SCF or highest common factor or GCD of your x and y. Okay, do it in your copy clearly. Now next question is we are going to do next question. See, this is of a string. In this it is non-returnable. See, void is used here. Okay, void, no return statement has been used here in this example. Void demo string as int x. Okay, in this x is greater than or equal to 0. We have to control comes here when base class is false. When it is false, then control comes here. Okay, now demo x comma s comma x minus 1. Here C system out dot println x is there star. Now here output due to this it will come first h will come out, then s, then I, then f. And here when the statement is given after the function, then the output will become like this. See the working of the dry run. The your is Fisher and x is 3. It will not work till ER. It will work till 0 to 3 because x has given here 3. Now x is, and it will work like this. See, whole of the, see here all the functions has been given and you have to write this only. Your step 1 is when it is 3, it is like this. Step 2, see, pay attention here and go revise it and write it like this only. And because you have to write it in your register also and in your exam also, you all have to show the dry run of this program. Okay, of the example dry run of the whatever the statement has given you, whatever the program, whatever the segment of the program have been given, you have to write the dry run of the program. Okay, now here is a full program. Here is example of recursion in part 2 section B. Part 2 in your paper, part 2 section B, in the there is a choice. There are three programs. One is of array, one is of string, and one can be of number also, array also, string also, and one is of your recursion program. Okay, in this you all have to have a choice, but see how you all have to write this program. This is your program. Go through your program. Here at the last there has been given the difference between iteration and recursion. This is a your board program in ISC 2014. It has been come in this. It is program is easy. In this you have to find out the factorial and power. Okay, in this factorial and power you have to find out. See how you are going to calculate. In this is a series program, as you all know. See, this the function is here for the factorial and function is here for the power. And now you all have to calculate this. You have to make one function more. In this you have to put your loop and you are going to do the program. See, line comments are here. Now students, you all have to write in each and every program with the line comments. Okay, you have to write in each and every program with line comments and show what you are going to do in the what you have done in your program. Now see here also the main program is there also here. The program has been called. See, they each and every line there is a line comment. You have to write in every program. This is a program. This example how you have to write in your word, and this is and here how you are going to call a program. See, here it has been written. Even the output has been also generated when the parameter is your x3 and n5. Okay, now second part here, the difference has been also given between iteration and recursion, as you all have done it previously also, but pay attention towards there. It has been directly asked in your board. So please learn it and understand it how it has been done. Write in your registers this program and example of recursion. Okay, I'll send PDF of this PPT to you all.